फोटोशूट नहीं है ये, एक्चुअली एक फिल्म है। कल्याण ज्वेलर्स, जो कि एक बहुत ही प्रख्यात ज्वेलरी कंसर्न है दक्षिण भारत में। और सबसे मेरे लिए गर्व की बात यह है कि मैं 3 लेजेंडरी महारथी दक्षिण भारत के, शिवाजी गणेशन, राजकुमार जी, अक्किनेनी नागेश्वर राव, उन सबके जो सुपुत्र हैं उनके साथ में काम कर। मैं पिता हूं इस बेटी का जो अभी गर्भवती थी और उसको मैं अस्पताल लाया हूं। आई मस्ट कंग्रेचुलेट हर एंड थैंक हर फॉर अग्रीइंग टू वर्क विथ मी। शी इज एन एक्सट्रीमली पॉपुलर आर्टिस्ट इन मलयालम सिनेमा and very honored to be working with her. I believe she stopped work soon after marriage and coming back after 15 years. So I feel very honored that she agreed to do this.
Mr. Bachchan, it's always a learning experience, and I had shot with him with Khuda Gawah a long time ago, and I'm still in awe of him. And we shot another Kalyan ad about 6 months ago, and it turned out very, very nice. I'm sure, I don't know if you've seen it. Yeah. And this, in fact, I was thinking, looking at him, how does he do it after all these years? The same energy, same fire in his eyes, and the same passion towards acting. And it's a lot of things which we all can learn from. I already said that, it's a learning experience every time I work with him. And after it's been almost 20 years, and still so much to learn from him. And yesterday I was, because there are 4 of us to do, and he's the only person who's doing the shot with all of us. And that shot took almost 1 hour to complete, and he was just standing there for all 1 hour and that's incredible. Khuda Gawah, I remember, we're coming back from Jomsom in Nepal back to Kathmandu, and Bachchan Saab took the flight controls and he was flying the plane. And there was one thing which I remember, and I went and asked him, "Sir, can you fly?" Yes, I'm very happy. That shows we're all the cultures, everything is the same, and things from the south are being accepted here, and things from the north are being accepted in the south, and I'm very happy about that. All the films, Bollywood films which I would like to make are all cult films, and I would be very stupid to remake them. It's just like somebody trying to make a remake of Shiva. I think they wouldn't succeed in it.
Fans since childhood, Indian fans, and I had come with my father once when my father was shooting for one film in Bombay, Rajkumar. I think you might have heard about Dr. Rajkumar. Yeah. So when we came, I think Ramanathan, when he passed away, S. Ramanathan, at that time he took us to Mehboob Studio, and Satya Pe Sata shooting was going on. I was around 12 or 13 years.
Okay.
So I had taken a pic with him, and I just told him about that. He remembered that. That's the greatness of him, and it's everybody's ambition that one wants to work with Amitabh. But now we have got the opportunity. Last year also, luckily my birthday, on my birthday day I was shooting here.
Wow.
So last time I celebrated my 50th birthday with him. Okay, it's a great thing. Again the same honor has come. I think I should thank Sri Kumar and the Kalyan Jewellers for making such a lovely ad. Great thing actually. It's a great thing. Coming into Bollywood, it's not easy. But in spite of that, because a lot of competition is there. But in spite of that, coming into Hindi cinema is really great. But for me, it's not like that because I've been busy in my languages, so I don't want to take any risk like that.
So can you
Where he hugs me. The previous, that was really, I felt my father was hugging me actually, because it's been very close to my father. And when during the shooting of Coolie, he had a minor accident. That time my father had did, they say, what do you say, Anga Pradakshinam they say, going around the temple. So when he came to know that Rajkumar did like this, he came and met my father. And my father was going to Shabarimala. I think you might have heard about Shabarimala. That's a pilgrimage trip. He asked whether I can join you. That time immediately we all went together. That was another golden moment I can't forget in my life.